Hello guys, this is Rain from Sama. Today we're going to introduce one of our latest established PC case, IM01. It's a case that has the size of only an ITX case but can actually support the installation of MATX motherboard and ATX power supply. All the panels have special design buckles which makes them easily removable and easily to be assembled. Supports long VGA card installation. Maximum length go to 335 millimeters. It supports 2 different ways of installing the VGA card. Thanks for watching. If you have interest in our new model IM01, welcome to contact us on Alibaba. See you next time.